Good morning, YouTube. Well, I had a bit of an incident that I'm sure a lot of you already saw. So I was with the IDS Supercars Grudge Rally.
Rally, bitches!
We're heading back to Austin from Houston, and there was about 40 to 50 cars. I mean, it was fast, but not crazy. A cop claims to have paced someone at 106. They decided to pull over a bunch of us, and I got pulled over, and another Ferrari got pulled over, and then they came and visited the entire group at the hotel. All of it was filmed on Live PD. I don't really know Live PD. I've heard of it. I guess I'm on Live PD. So then all of a sudden my phone starts blowing up and people are like, dude, you're famous. You're on Live PD. I'm like, oh crap.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So I'm going to show you my dash cam footage. I'm going to show you some of the Live PD footage, and you can kind of see the cops like to kind of make the story seem bigger than it is. Watch and enjoy.
We've got a report out of Williamson of 50 plus supercars, meaning Lamborghinis, Ferraris, etc., all speeding on the highway.
Was one a red Ferrari? Can you move, please?
He meant the other car was a Lamborghini.
There's a red car right in front of you guys, same thing. Right there.
Yeah, I got this one. One of our deputies saw these three cars racing up the highway. So, were you have enough for racing?
They were all behind each other, the 100 plus and 106.
Texas, personalized Nora, Robert, Mary Lincoln, George, Union, Young. Looks like a red Ferrari. So Deputy Duvall was driving up the highway, and these three sports cars were over 100 miles an hour in a line coming up the highway. One of them, he got one stopped. I believe this is another one. How you doing? Lieutenant Kennedy with the Sheriff's Office. You got your driver's license on you, please?
Lieutenant Luera is also there. He's pulled over a separate vehicle. Remember, this is a report of up to 50 vehicles speeding.
I saw the same thing you did. That's why I jumped on. I could see them coming north. We observed these vehicles there's about 6 of them. As soon as we got behind them, we started hitting pretty high rate of speed, about 106 plus miles per hour. But we were able to get this one pulled over here. That's what I thought.
120 behind me.
Yeah, I was at about 106 when they started speeding away.
So are you recording all of it, all of your nefarious activities?
And here are the dastardly villains.
What about the camera in your seat? I got you.
And we're sponsored by Lamborghini Austin, by McLaren Houston. They're all with us.
Are the sponsors going to pay for your 100 plus tickets? Or your reckless driving?
I don't. What did you guys pay me?
Well, you guys are doing 100 plus miles per hour. He drove what?
I was going 120.
You got me at 120.
How fast I was going. And you were pulling away from me.
Driving 106 with this kind of traffic is reckless driving, period. We're talking to you right now. You're not handcuffed, but you can talk yourself into them, all right?
We're okay with the rally. We're okay with you guys having fun. These are beautiful cars, right? You're having a great time, but you have to be careful with what you're doing out here. Obviously, you said, how can I do that with all this traffic out here? You were doing it because we were behind you at 106 or 100 plus. You got up to 120, okay? That's it. We just want you to be careful out here.
Do I make myself clear?
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening.
I'll admit, I didn't believe it when my producers said to me, there's a report of 50
So you guys are coming from Houston?
Lamborghinis and Ferraris and other, and she just confirmed it.
Oh, I got the Ferrari. Okay, not sure what's going on.
How you doing?
Good.
Lieutenant Kennedy with the Sheriff's Office. Get your driver's license on you, please.
I do.
I'm assuming you understand why we're making contact with you this evening?
Kind of, maybe.
Come on, man. I've been doing this a long time.
Let's get down to business, dude. What'd you do last night? Where were you? Were you partying? Did you party? Do you party?
We had a deputy, saw you guys. Okay, why are we driving so fast? What's the deal?
No particular reason.
Just out joyriding?
No, there's a
big group of about 50 cars that are...
Yeah, we know. We saw them.
Actually, believe it or not, we're like 2 seconds from our destination.
Okay. Y'all staying at like a hotel or something?
Well, they are. I actually live in town, so I'm coming back home.
Okay. All right. So that deputy got you guys at 106.
Don't think I was going to 106.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you were all in a line, driving up the highway.
A lot of the guys were kind of like doing some dumb stuff, and I was like trying to be semi-adult.
So are you recording all of it? All of your
I have a dash cam.
nefarious activities?
No.
You have the camera in your seat.
I'm a professional YouTuber. That's actually my job.
And what about the scanner?
I don't have a police scanner. I just have a walkie-talkie.
What's the deal with it? Just trying to
It's
listen
just
out for us?
No. This is just a walkie-talkie.
Oh, so y'all can communicate?
Yeah. It's...
All right, pal. Give me just a sec, okay?
Okay.
Actually, are y'all doing gumball?
No.
No? What's the...
It's called IDS Supercars.
IDS Supercars? Okay.
First day today was at the Houston Raceway Park, the drag strip. Tomorrow we're at the Harris Hill Road Course down in San Marcos.
Okay, got you. Normally it screamed gumball, so...
Oh,
I didn't know if y'all were doing a gumball.
No, like we're not that cool. Those are expensive as hell.
A buddy of mine took his, he had a 70 240Z with a...
oh, nice.
With it was a RB6. It was in their shop for like 2 years. One of the turbos blew, and...
2 years? What the hell are they doing with it?
Dude, it just creates stupid boost. It's awesome.
Here you go, pal.
Thank you.
All right, so I appreciate your honesty and your forthcomingness.
Yeah.
Okay. Deputy Duvall back here. Deputy Duvall is the one that was on the highway. That was when you guys blew by him.
Yeah.
Okay. He paced that first car at 106. Okay, and you guys were with him. So you're not gonna get a ticket today. Okay, because he was dealing with the other vehicle. All right.
Yeah, I was like I said, I was really legit trying. I'm in the back 90% of the group because I was legit trying to like not be the idiot.
Are y'all done for the night? I mean, what's the
plan? Well,
because we don't want to be out here all night chasing you guys.
No.
Y'all kill somebody. Or,
hell no. No, actually, I was only going to a hotel just to say goodbye to everyone.
What we don't want is somebody to lose control.
Yeah.
They're going too fast, having fun.
Totally appreciate it.
Something bad happens, okay?
Yeah.
All right. You have any questions?
No, man. Thank you.
Right. Be careful.
Absolutely. Thank you, man. Holy crap. How many of you are you?
What?
So how many of you guys are there?
Well, there was about 50 of y'all, so we had several of you pulled over.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense then. Oh, is that that one show? I'm curious, am I now on TV? Ah, crap. Hey, good night, guys. Stay safe. You too, camera guy.
Are you escorting the cops on your way here? Or
Yeah.
What the hell happened?
Yeah, it's a long story.
What the...
I'm kind of curious, number one, how is that legal that they can like film people being arrested and stuff? Like, I thought cops had to like get a permission and whatever. They showed my license plate, they showed me. I mean, I guess it's in public, so you can show stuff in public, but it's being broadcast live. I don't know what the legality is. It seems weird. Any lawyers want to talk to me about that? I'm curious on that one. That's just kind of strange. The other thing I noticed is the police totally kind of embellished the situation. They first told me 106, and then when I watched the video, they were telling the girl that got pulled over, yeah, we were going 120, and then they're like, we were going 150 to catch you, and you guys were going 150, and we're like, no one was going 150. No one was going 120. I am certain some people were going over 100. I don't know who. I was actually in the back of the group and was kind of taking it easy. Well, at the time when the cops actually finally got us, my radar detector was going crazy, so I was just like chill, which is why I got pulled over. Everyone who kept up the pace went away. I slowed down and took it easy, and I get pulled over. The one cop's like trying to barge through traffic and act like I'm gonna run or something, and I was just sitting at a stoplight. So as you heard, I got off with a warning. Everyone got a warning. No one got tickets. I think in this situation, it's kind of hard to prove who was doing what. You can't just say, oh, the group's guilty. Well, no, you have to say that person did something. They can't use the RICO Act against people speeding. It doesn't work that way. I guess I'm TV famous now for not the greatest reasons, and definitely not what I expected in my life to be on Live PD. I mean, I guess that's like the equivalent of being on Cops. So I should have been wearing a tank top, and I didn't beat my wife. So I don't know why I was on TV. The producers of Live PD, you guys got a boner when you heard a report of 50 Lamborghinis and Ferraris driving 100 plus miles an hour. You know, they were just like, oh my God, this is gonna be great.
Shit.
Yeah, I think it would.
And that's probably why they sent like all the police officers in the entire area. They had six police officers pulled me over. 6. So there's another incident with me running in with the cops. At least these guys were kind of chill compared to one particular deputy I've run in with the past. Yeah.
Hey, Deputy Manus, Travis County Sheriff's Office. Got your license and your insurance. Reason
Sure.
being stop date, no front license plate, and failed to stop at designated point at that stop sign.
I stopped.
You stopped, not at the designated point. The white line on the ground, your rear tires were at it.
They're still like doing their jobs. They're still like, you know, going to be stern about some things, but at least they like were being reasonable. And the last time I got pulled over, the guy had no personality. It was just like, you know, these guys actually were willing to talk. I guess I'm lucky. That was really lucky. It was a lucky thing. I hope you enjoyed watching my misery. Like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate when you guys do that. So thank you. We're going to be doing a lot of car stuff. You guys are want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.